how professional women working full-time can start their own business in 2024 so they can leave their full-time job. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sephora, licensed attorney and business coach, and I'm going to be telling you how you can start your own small business so that you can gear yourself up to leave your full-time job and stop trading your time for money. So let's jump into the video. The very first thing that I want you to do is, well, let me back up. So as a professional woman, you're probably currently working a lot of hours, trading in your time for a high salary. You're in a high demand job. Maybe you're putting in 10, 12 hours a day. And so what I want you to do is ask yourself, what are you good at? Or what is it that you are doing in your job and giving to someone else? So what is it in your job that you are doing and giving to your employer or maybe giving to a client? And how can you do that for yourself? Okay, so the first thing here that I want you to do is to start brainstorming and come up with a business idea related to a service that you can provide, either related to your current full-time job or related somehow to an expertise or experience that you have. So again, as a concrete example, I started my own business while working full-time, and I scaled that business to 6 figures in 1 year, and I teach professional women how to do the same, okay? And so I took my expertise in building the business and starting and scaling the business, and now I'm helping professional women do the same. So maybe whatever job you are in, maybe it's HR, maybe it's nursing, maybe it's some type of healing, maybe it's career coaching, maybe it's mindset coaching, maybe it's administrative. How can you turn that work or whatever it is you do, whatever your expertise is in, whatever your experience is in, and turn it into a job that you can make money for yourself? So that's that first step, is coming up with that business idea that you're then going to flip and make and start making money from. Number 3 is you're going to create a package of benefits from your offer or from that idea that you've come up with, right? And so start thinking about, okay, let's say you're a registered nurse or a nurse practitioner, right? And you do that every single day, but maybe you also have experience with healing or holistic healing or other types of natural remedies of healing or anything along those lines, right? And so you're going to say, okay, what is something that I can offer in terms of what my experience is in to people who want this service? And so maybe you come up with a package of benefits that says, well, hey, I can coach people on these holistic healing remedies, because maybe you have a certification in that, right? Or maybe, hey, I can coach people on how to do well in nursing school because I did well in nursing school. I can coach people on passing their NCLEX, right? So that's just a small example. It's not small, but that's just an example, right? And so what I'm trying to get you to do here is think about how you can take what you have experience in and turn it into a package that you can then offer to others. So of course I gave coaching as the offer there, but it doesn't have to be coaching. Maybe you can create a product. Maybe you can create some type of ebook. Maybe you're a high-level chef, or maybe you're really good at cooking. Maybe you have these great recipes that people can just eat and lose weight, right? And so maybe you create an ebook, or maybe you start a home delivery service, or maybe you start a meal prep service, right? Whatever it may be, I just want you to create a package of benefits or a package of offers that you can use to start selling to people, to start getting your business off the ground. So once you've got that business idea offer that's based in either your full-time job, your expertise or your experience, then from there, go and create this package of benefits, this package of offers that you can then offer to people. So this is what you're going to be selling. The next thing that you want to do is reach out to every single person you know about this new offer. So I said this before, but I reached out to 90 people via email when I first started my business. Even if those 90 people weren't necessarily my clients, they may know someone who is. And so that's what I want you to do here, is reach out to every single person you know and tell them about this new venture, tell them about this new offer. And you have it, right? Because when you just chose your offer, you chose your business idea, and then you put your offer together, you put together the idea of what it is you're going to sell. So now you're going to craft this into an email so that you can send it out to everyone you know to let them know about this new venture, about this new thing that you're going to be doing. And you're going to include in the email, hey, Even if you're not interested, or maybe this isn't for you at this time, can you please share it, or please share it with one other person that you know, right? And so you're inviting them to share it with other people. One trick here that I like to do is include a link that is a summary of my offer. So maybe you go on Canva and you create a summary, a nice little graphic, and you include that link, or you include the graphic and say, hey, can you just share this flyer? Or if you have a landing page or a website, or maybe just a Google Doc write-up, you say, hey, can you share this link, right? So include that in the email, because you want to make it as easy as possible for them to share it with other people, right? So you're putting together this list of all the people you know. I want to encourage you to get a list of no less than 50 people, okay? And send it out. Even if you don't think they are going to be a client, they may know someone who is in need of what it is you have to offer. If you send out a good amount of emails, if you talk to a good amount of people, you will likely get a few people who are interested, okay? You will likely get a few people who are interested. I'm not talking about, oh, I messaged 5 people and nothing. No. Like I said, a minimum of 50 people, and you're also asking them to share. You will get people who are interested. What you are going to do is you're going to take them up. You are going to take them on as clients. And maybe you offer a small discount in exchange for a testimonial, because what you want to do here is start building up testimonials for your service. You want to start building up reviews, because these are going to be important later on down the line, possibly when you want to start getting random people or just cold people who don't know you to start working with you. I don't think it's absolutely imperative, but it is going to be helpful. And especially when you're first getting started out with coaching, you may want to get some practice in and have these testimonials and know how you can refine or make your offer better, right? And so that's what you're going to start doing. You're going to gather these up. Now, let's just say, hypothetically speaking, you didn't get any bites from this first group of people. What I want you to do then, number one, is start creating flyers and going out and direct marketing, okay? That's either handing the flyers to people, that's literally going out and talking to people, okay? Literally going out and talking about what it is you have to offer. I'm not talking about just going anywhere. Go in places that are relevant to the types of clients you are trying to sell to. So for example, if you are doing some type of, I don't know, career coaching, maybe that's you're going to colleges, or you're going to areas where college students live, or whatever. What I'm saying is go to areas where your ideal client is likely to be and start talking to them, start giving them flyers. Maybe you're asking the school if you can put up flyers on their bulletin boards in their schools. Maybe you're just sending emails to the schools and asking them like, hey, would you share this, okay? So that's if you didn't get any bites from that first set of emails you sent out. The next thing you can do, of course, is posting on social media, which actually you should do in addition to sending out the email. Post on social media and ask people to share it, right? Email and ask people to share it. In that email, you can include the link to your social media post and say, hey, like, also, can you share my social media post, okay? If you do all of these things, you are guaranteed to get one person at the very least. You'll probably get more than one, but you are at least guaranteed to get one, okay? So the next thing that you're gonna do is use your income that you've received from getting those first few sets of clients to get your business off the ground. You're going to create a website. Go watch my business tools and systems. Wait till this video's done, but go watch the business tools and systems video that you need to start your business, to make your business run effectively. And it's going to give you everything you need, but you're going to use this first set of income, or of course you can use the income from your full-time job to do this right away. But I don't think those are things you need to do right away. As I've mentioned before, like, you can focus on getting your first clients before you actually do any of the things in that video. But once you have your first set of clients, you can take that money and you can go and actually start focusing on getting your email automation set up, getting your website set up, right? And then once you've got all of that set up, you're going to go in and create a freebie. So F-R-E-E-B-I-E. It's a freebie, or something that I like to call, everyone likes to call, a lead magnet, right? And so with this lead magnet, it's going to be something valuable that you can offer to people who don't know you, and even to people who do know you, to get them onto your email list, to get them to understand what it is you are going to be offering, so that you can start building an audience of people who you can sell to consistently. So I want to reiterate this. This portion is not one of the first steps you have to take. The business tools and systems videos is not one of the first steps you have to take. Getting your first clients in the door is more important than all of those other things, right? So it has less to do with money and more to do with getting your first clients in the door. So these are the steps you're taking once you have those first clients in the door. So you're going to create that lead magnet, which is going to be just a snippet or a free piece of valuable, very valuable information that your ideal client wants to know, okay? Your ideal client wants to know or needs help with. And so whatever it may be, it must relate to your offer. So if you're offering, for example, that holistic health coaching, then maybe this freebie is a checklist of different things they can start doing to start getting their health in the right direction or getting their health in the right order, right? If you're a chef and you're helping people lose weight, maybe your freebie is a list of foods that are known to help you burn fat quicker or boost your metabolism, right? The point is, you're creating a lead magnet, you're creating this freebie that people are actually going to find really beneficial and be willing to give you their email address in order to get this information, okay? So you're going to create this freebie, and then you're gonna do the same thing, but maybe on a little bit of a grander scale. You're gonna put this freebie everywhere. You're gonna promote this freebie everywhere, in emails, on social media, in person. You're gonna talk about it wherever you can. You can join Facebook groups, you can join public forums, you can join communities. You're gonna share this freebie because the goal here is to get people to sign up for your Now email newsletter, okay? So that freebie is going to be linked to that email newsletter, and once your email newsletter people start signing up and getting your freebie, you are going to put in place a sales sequence, okay? So this sales sequence is going to be where you're selling your offer, the offer that I just had you create at the beginning of this video, you see, okay? So in that sales sequence, it's going to be 5 to 8 emails or however many you want, and you're going to be selling your offer. You're going to be telling them why they need it. You're going to be telling them how it's going to help them. It's going to be beneficial to them. And guess what? You can include some of the reviews that you got from your first set of clients. Okay, so you see how all of this works together, because now you've got this freebie, you've got these cold leads coming in, you've got these people who are interested in what you have to offer, and you know they're interested because they gave you their email in exchange for that freebie. And so now you're going to be selling them on this offer through your email newsletter, okay? And so once all of that is happening, you're going to start seeing the turnover happen, hopefully a little bit more quicker. You're going to start seeing people wanting to talk to you about your offer, or people paying for your offer. There's tons of different ways that you can speed this process up, but that's not what this video is about. But you can run ads to your freebie. You can put your freebie on your website and optimize it for SEO. There's tons of different things to get more people into your newsletter. Okay, yes, so once you're giving out this freebie and you've got people into your list and that sales sequence is set up, you're gonna have it to where people can either, one, automatically pay for whatever it is you have to offer, like, hey, buy now, here's your ebook, here's your guide, here's your whatever it is you're selling, or maybe you're going to want to have them automatically be able to book a session with you. Hey, here's your session, here's your package of sessions, here's your whatever. So that sales sequence is all going to lead up to, or in each email, actually going to be selling whatever it is your offer is. If you are selling a higher ticket offer, so say you're selling that something in the couple thousands of dollars, then what your sales sequence is going to do is going to be inviting people to book a consultation with you so that you have the opportunity to learn more about them, okay? And if you follow this order, if you follow this sequence, if you follow these steps, you will have your business up and running in 2024 and be well on your way to leaving your full-time job and getting the freedom you desire. Guys, if you need help with anything you have learned in this video, if you need help with getting any of this set up, getting started with your business, scaling your business, I'm your girl. Click the link in my bio and let's schedule a consultation to talk. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.